Okay, yes. We're going back to university here, and this time we're making a 3D model of sorts. So you want to talk us through this, Dimitri?
Well, here point clouds play maybe a smaller role, but maybe a few interesting things that I do here. We already talked about coloring. Here I use Clipper and GeometryExtractor together to show some interesting trick. I extract geometries from buildings from a shapefile, and then when I clip with these buildings the point cloud, I get point clouds which have all the attributes of the buildings.
So you're clipping, using every building as a clipper, doing a multiple clip, and then
yes,
you're getting...
I get as many point clouds as I had buildings.
Right, that you've cut out.
And each point cloud knows everything what the building knew about itself.
Right,
including its own geometry. So now I can extract min and max values for the point cloud.
Yes.
And then replace the point cloud geometry with building geometry.
And now you're going to...
And this gives me the elevation to which I should elevate my building footprint.
Right, so the base, you lift the base
yes.
up.
Then I just build walls and roof. And for roofs, I use our image to add the clipped orthos to the top of the roofs as textures.
You also clipped the buildings out of the ortho.
Yes, so here's another clipper.
Yes. So we got basically a piece of image for every building and a point cloud for every building, and then you're slapping them together. And you must be making some walls. Do you have any imagery for the walls?
Unfortunately not. I simply set color. But if you have images for your buildings, then it is...
You could paste them on too. We did an example like that.
Yes, we have that, yeah.
So you're going to run this thing?
Yes.
So we're going to basically make a 3D model-ish of the campus. We are going to end up with 3D buildings having been extruded to their scanned heights.
Yep.
Okay. It's thinking. So all 131 clippers are done. Now we're clipping some more. And it's done. We're just popping up the answer. Of course, it could be routed to ArcGIS or anywhere else. And so what do you got there?
So the point cloud, it works pretty well for vegetation to stay within point cloud. It gives it very nice, realistic look, I think. Yeah. And the buildings with the roofs taken from the ortho image.
Yeah, they look good.
And walls just colored brick red.
It's a whole brick. It's like we're from Eastern Canada. Brick buildings everywhere. Okay. So now can you flip off the point cloud just so we can see the buildings floating there in space? There they are. Okay, so that's our extruded 3D buildings. Okay, that's pretty impressive.